Okay, this is not easy. There's one bolt at the back that's hard on an F-150 4.6. There's other problems with this real tight configuration on this truck, like the oxygen sensor on the passenger. Same thing. Well, this guy's the same thing. That's a 13 millimeter, short, and a 10 millimeter to remove the ignition, and then the ignition wire. Now here I used a long one at the top one to loosen it up at the beginning. Again, you're working in tight spaces. Small is good in tight spaces. So quarter inch everything. Okay, so you got that and the long one to get the bolts out at the top and the side, and those are good little grips there that help you after you loosen it. Okay, so anyway, you got one bolt at the top, a 13 millimeter, then you got one on the side, 13 millimeter, and then you have that, which is the bottom one that connects the ground wire. Okay, and of course the other ones go on the solenoid. But that's what it takes. Now, to get the top one and the side one, you got to stick your hand through here, So I'm sure the manual has has you taking probably the manifold off, but we're not going to do it that way. To get to the very top one, you have to stick your hand through here all the way to the top, and just stick your hand all the way around. You're not going to see it. You're just going to have to go by feel, but you'll touch it with your index finger, and just put that long one in there, and again with a short little wrench, you can get over there. Now, anyway, the top one, you're going to have to use you have to put it in first, and then you loosen it. The side one, I guess you can come in with a wrench. The other one, you have to go in just with the extension and the socket. But you can do it. So you got to be careful. Let me see. Oh, I guess so. With any arm fits through there. I was going to say a thin one, but no, that's not true. Any arm can go over the side, the top, and get to the top one.